Have you ever thought to yourself, I'm just not technical enough to be an inventor? Well, think about it again, because outsiders often invent breakthroughs because they see problems that experts stopped noticing. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm here to share with you this myth busted that no, you do not need to be a technical expert. It really isn't about knowing everything. It's more about noticing what's missing to have a real breakthrough innovation. Take three examples. The Wright Brothers, classic, right? They were actually bicycle engineers or bicycle mechanics. They knew nothing about aerospace or making airplanes. They just kept asking the question, why can't we fly? More recent example, Sarah Blakely, founder, owner of Spanx, was not a fashion designer. She was actually setting up she's a fax machine sales rep who cut up her pantyhose to create Spanx. James Dyson was not a vacuum engineer. In fact, he got tired of his vacuum losing suction and just wanted to make a difference. Came at it from a different perspective, different angle, saw what was missing. Last example is Lonnie Johnson, a NASA engineer, not a toy maker, but the eventual inventor and innovator around Super Soaker. He was actually playing around with a heat pump when he found that Super Soakers would be a huge hit for children and adults, admittedly. So don't think that you're not technical enough. Don't think that it takes a certain PhD or credential to be an inventor. It really does take someone with an outside perspective on a problem that you can solve it in a totally unique way. It's the classic example of thinking outside the box. You as the outsider, the non-technical person, can ask the quote dumb question that no one has the answers to. And if you can figure it out, you can innovate in the space. So go big and go bold. Everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney, wishing you an awesome day. If you want to get a hold of us, go to boldpatents.com. We'll see you next time. Go big, go bold.